The innovative Genesis framework posits that the additional spatial dimension allows for a more nuanced and comprehensive encoding of information and entropy, pivotal for understanding complex systems and phenomena that escape the explanatory power of three-dimensional models. The role of entropy is particularly emphasized. It is not merely a background metric or a descriptor of disorder, but a foundational element that actively shapes the universe's geometry and dynamics. In this model, time itself is reimagined not merely as a linear progression observed uniformly across the cosmos, but as a dynamic variable that interacts intricately with the four spatial dimensions. Within the Genesis framework, time is conceptualized as the rate at which gravity encodes all wave function states in 3D into a low entropy state in 4D through a thermodynamically driven process. This process effectively shifts high entropy information into a low entropy format within a four-dimensional space, where the continuum of existence is characterized by information entangled across both 3D and 4D dimensions. In this framework, time is perceived relative to the speed at which information is processed and stored, a process physically felt as gravity. This revolutionary concept suggests that what we experience as the flow of time is actually the manifestation of gravity encoding experiential data into the universe's low-entropy memory bank. Thus, time's passage is directly linked to how rapidly and efficiently this encoding occurs, reshaping our understanding of temporal dynamics as fundamentally entwined with the universe's entropic and gravitational forces. Such a conceptualization not only advances our theoretical understanding of the universe, but also has practical implications for fields ranging from cosmology and quantum mechanics to bioelectric medicine and information technology. By viewing the universe as an entropic, four-dimensional spatial expanse, the Genesis framework offers a new lens through which to interpret the complexities of nature and existence, suggesting that the very fabric of reality is woven from the threads of spatial and temporal dimensions enriched by entropy. In traditional holography, light waves are used to record the three-dimensional structure of a scene onto a two-dimensional surface, capturing the phase and amplitude of the light waves reflected from the object. This process effectively encodes the 3D information into a 2D format, which can later be reconstructed into a visual representation of the original object. Similarly, in the framework of the Genesis framework, gravity performs an analogous function, not with light, but with the fabric of space-time itself, and gravity as the light. Imagine gravity as the recording medium in the cosmos, much like light in holography. Just as light records a holographic image by capturing the wave functions of a three-dimensional object onto a two-dimensional plane, gravity records the dynamic states of 3D spacetime into the lower entropy medium of 4D space. This 4D space acts as a vast entangled information cache obeying the known laws of physics to store computable geometry, storing the wave functions and the entangled information of our universe at the highest resolution and lowest entropy state possible. Learn more about the Genesis framework by John R. Coates Jr. at www.rfsafe.com.